Welcome to this new lesson and this new section where we're going to start building our online store to sell our goods or our products through our website, make our 24 online store. Our plugins, and we're going to add new plugin. Before we start, I want to quickly remind you that this is a very practical course. You can get the most out of this course by applying every step or every lesson you learn, you go apply it instantly. This is your active task. By that, you're going to finish your entire website when you finish that course. And later it could be a reference for you, and you can come back to any lesson if you want to remember how it was done or how you should do some specific steps. Now let's type WooCommerce for our online store plugin. This is very famous plugin, and it will do everything for us. Setting our store, selling our products, shipping, everything, it will fix that for us. Of course, it's not gonna ship it to the door, but like it's gonna handle the shipping issue. Now, as you can see, it has over 1 million active installs, and it's very famous. As I said, let's install that one. We're gonna activate it. Okay. Once activated, you're gonna see that screen. Can press on Let's Go. Now it's telling you that it's gonna establish or build you 4 pages on your website, one for shop and the other for cart, checkout, and my account. The shop will be displaying your products, and the cart where people can put their products in the cart, and checkout page for people who can check out through your customers. And my account, so people can create their own accounts on your website. Continue. Then here's like store local setup. You can choose where your store is, and any country can choose from here. And then you can choose your currency. You can choose whatever currency you feel you would like to charge for. For me, I'm gonna go with that Egyptian pound. And you can choose the currency position and even the 1000 separators way you would like to. Here you can choose the weights for the products. You can keep it in kilograms, grams, depending on your goods or your products specs. And let's keep it with the grams, for example. And then you can choose the dimensions for the products. The unit used for that. You can choose centimeters, millimeters, depending on your products. Let's keep it with the millimeters and press on continue. Now you have the shipping and tax setup. You can choose to, yes, I will be shipping physical goods because we're gonna train and learn on physical goods, not downloadable stuff. And we're gonna learn how to do downloadable stuff as well. And you can check on taxes. I will be charging sales taxes or later. For me, I'm gonna keep it later, and we're gonna learn how to do that through the plugin. Now about the payment, the next page is talking about the payment. You can choose multiple ways to charge, to make people pay. You have the PayPal, the most famous common way to pay online nowadays, and you have the PayPal standard. We're gonna check that, and you can Stripe not activated in all countries, depending on your country. If you know about it well and you wanna use that, go ahead and check that. And for the PayPal, you have to put your email address. And here's check payments for accepting checks if you would like to. For the PayPal standard, if you don't have account, you go ahead and start establishing one, and then you're gonna have your email address. You can put your email address in here. Establishing one is so easy. Let's go to PayPal, and I'm gonna show you quickly how to do one. It's gonna take like 5 minutes. You're gonna go on that one. It means like sign up. And you can choose from personal account or business. We need to make business account and press on continue. Now we're going to enter your email. This one will be associated with the PayPal, so choose one that is working. And here you're going to fill up your data, and later you have to activate your PayPal account either through American bank account or a credit card, linking it to a credit card to activate your PayPal account so you can receive money and pay through your PayPal account. Now back to our WooCommerce plugin. The other ways to accept payments from people are like check payments and bank transfers. If you're gonna insert your bank account and people can transfer you money if you prefer that way, depending on your products, you want to make it easy for the people. Even you can make it cash on delivery. You don't have to charge people online. When you deliver them the products, they can pay you in cash. You can activate that option and make it active on your website. Now your store is ready and you can start creating your first product through that button. That was our lesson for now. In the next lesson, we're going to learn how to do our first product, and it's so easy. Just reminding you again, this is a very practical course. Your active task now is go install your WooCommerce on your website and follow the steps. It's gonna be so easy when you finish that course that you're finishing your website. Okay, that was Khalil Ibrahim with you. See you next lesson and have a great day. Bye.